Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Together. Today, I want to talk about something very real: how to speak English confidently, even if you are a beginner. If you feel shy while speaking English, if you feel scared of making mistakes, or if your mind goes blank when you try to speak, trust me, you are not alone. I am also learning English, so this is not a lecture. This is just one learner talking to another learner. Part 1. Why we feel scared to speak English. Let me be honest. Most of us don't fear English. We fear judgment. We think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if I pronounce a word badly? This fear is normal, but here's the truth. You learned your mother tongue by making thousands of mistakes. No one spoke perfect English from day one. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Confidence comes later. So if you are waiting to feel confident before speaking, you will wait forever. Part 2. Stop trying to speak perfect English. One big mistake beginners make is this: they try to speak perfect English, perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect sentences. But real communication is not perfect. It is clear. Instead of trying to say big sentences, start with simple English. For example, I am learning English. I am not confident yet. Can you repeat, please? Simple English is powerful. Clear English is confident English. Part 3. Speak daily, even if it's alone. If you don't have anyone to speak with, don't wait for people. Talk to yourself. Yes, I'm serious. When you wake up, say, "Today I will practice English." While doing daily work, say, "I am cooking now. I am going to the market. I am watching a video." This may feel strange at first, but it trains your mouth and your brain. Your brain needs practice to feel comfortable with English. Silence never builds confidence. Speaking builds confidence. Part 5. Change your mindset about mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake shows you what to improve. If someone corrects you, don't feel embarrassed, feel grateful. Fluent speakers made more mistakes than you. That's why they are fluent now. Your job is not to avoid mistakes. Your job is to make mistakes and learn from them. Part 6. A simple 30-day confidence plan. Here's a small plan you can follow. Daily, 10 to 15 minutes. Speak alone for 5 minutes. Repeat 5 sentences from a video. Learn 3 new simple words. Use those words in your own sentences. Do this daily for 30 days. You won't become perfect, but you will become braver, and bravery builds confidence. Part 7. Final honest words. Let me tell you something honestly. You don't need to speak like a native speaker. You just need to express yourself. Your accent is okay. Your slow speaking is okay. Your mistakes are okay. What is not okay is giving up on yourself. You are learning. You are improving. And that is enough for today. If this video helped you, subscribe to learn English together. We are not perfect, we are learning together.